Hi guys, welcome to CAD CAE tutorial. Today we are going to see and use a Solidworks software and how to this body is designed easily and clearly. And guys, today discuss here a very important lecture. This is a apply a exploded, and this body is animation, and how to work this, how to all process is animation, and how to this body is exploded and collapse one by one, and then apply this okay okay let's start here this okay, this is a perfect this body is rotation and exploded, and also automatic is collapse here, and this is a very nice looking here. And then all process is learned easily one by one, and this lecture is very important for a beginner student, and also a proficient student is very important. Okay, and automatic collapse here. Okay, let's start here. This body is design, and okay, this is a perfect and correct okay, and this body is a rotation and exploded all one by one. Okay, let's start here. This body is a, and at first select this automatic is also apply here, and then this is right click and going to this create a new motion study. Okay, and this 2 is a delete here. Then this is a not this is a okay and again this new create a, and this is a delete here. Okay, and okay, this is not active any exploded view and any rotation view. Then one by one is apply here. Okay, this is a perfect body, and any select here. Okay, this is a perfect and correct okay, okay, any one position, then looking perfect and correct okay, and this is a perfect position is a correct and apply. At first select a exploded view, then one by one is all parts is a separate here, and at first this body is separate. Okay, this is a perfect and then second is this body, and this is a okay and exploded. Then third is this and body is a okay, this is a perfect, and second fourth is a this body is a this. Okay, all is perfect and click okay, and all is exploded. Then apply here. This is a collapse okay, this is a perfect and again select exploded. Okay, and again this is a collapse. Okay, this is a perfect and apply this animation wizard, and going to this rotate model, and next and y-axis 1. Okay, this is a perfect and then start here a 0, and this time is a 6. Okay, this is a perfect and okay, and calculate, and then this is a perfect and correct. Rotation is a 1 time, and then also going to animation wizard, then exploded, and next Okay, this is a 6, starting time is 6, and then this is a 11 second, and finish. Okay, and again select animation wizard, and then going to collapse, and next, and collapse is a, this is a 11, duration is 11 second, and going to, this is a 17 is perfect, and finish. Okay, then this word is a collapse, calculate, and one part is 1 by 1 is a, this is exploded, and automatic is collapse here. This is a perfect. Okay, perfect and correct collapse here. Okay, this is a, and again select this play from a start here, and then at first this is a rotation, and then this body is exploded, and all parts is 1 by 1 is exploded. Then you can see here easily, and automatic is collapse here. Okay, okay, okay guys, all process is learn here easily and clearly, and guys I hope you will learn all process is learn here easily and clearly. And guys, any doubt about this lecture, then you go to comment box and write a comment. And guys, get at first more and more new videos, please subscribe this channel and like and share. Okay guys, thank you.